Welcome to Still Moment Studio. My name's Paula. Today I'm going to take you through a time lapse of painting this bridge in watercolor. All my comments are at the end of the video. This is just a time lapse with some music, so I hope you enjoy. To create this painting, I decided not to use any masking fluid to preserve any of the white spaces. I wanted it to be soft and uniform as a whole. So what I did is I did it in sections of wet on wet. I covered up the bridge in the foreground, spritzed with some water in the background, heavily on the grass, and just real light on the sky. And then I went ahead and added some muted yellows, greens, blues in the sky, and some browns on the ground. And because greens, yellows, blues even, pull off very well from the watercolor, red will stain your paper. So it's a little hard to pull that off later, but greens and yellows are great for this method. I was then able to take a little bit stiffer brush and just with some water, as you can see here, I'm brushing the tree trunks with just water to reactivate that paint, and then with a paper towel, I can pull off the color and I can get nearly white recovered on those tree trunks. And then once I let that dry, I can go ahead and create some birch trees in the background. If you're interested in the paint brushes or colors I use, I've listed those over on my website. I've left a link for that down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.